Hey everyone. So I had my Tesla checked over last week by Cleevely EV for its end of warranty inspection, and honestly it was a real wake-up call. They found issues that could have cost me thousands, and in one case stopped me from driving the car altogether. Today I'll share exactly what they found and how Arnold Clark is dealing with it, and why an inspection like this is essential, especially if you're at the end of your warranty or buying a used EV. For those new here, I bought this Model Y just over a month ago. It's been brilliant so far, with just a 60-day dealer warranty, and now that I've reached 80,000 miles, I wanted a second opinion on its condition. So Cleevely EV turned up in the morning, and I had already prepped the car as requested, trunk emptied, wheel covers off. They were thorough, checking the suspension, brakes, and all the main components. They swapped out the air filters, just regular maintenance, but what really impressed me was their attention to detail and the time and care taken, and finishing up by test driving the car to make sure that everything felt right. And then came the big finds. They gave me a full breakdown of everything that was wrong. First, the rear passenger door sill was coming loose. Now, that might sound small, but left unchecked, it can cause water leaks and wind noise. Next, and this is the big one, both rear suspension knuckles need replacing. These are critical parts and not cheap either, around about £800 each. With that, plus the cost of the tyres, which I'll cover in a moment, the bill would come to over £2,000 just for parts. Cleevely EV said that the knuckles were in such a poor state that the car wouldn't pass its MOT today, let alone in 9 months when it's due. Finally, tyres. The front tyres still had 3mm of tread, and I planned to replace them with all-season tyres in the winter, so I wasn't really worried about that. But they found that both were cracked badly, so badly that they're through to the canvas. So they strongly recommended I stop driving altogether until they are replaced. This was a bit of a shock because Arnold Clark assured me that the car was fully checked and issue-free for sale, but how they missed cracked tyres and failing knuckles is a mystery. It's really frustrating, but I'm glad it was caught now and not when I'm stranded or facing a huge repair bill. So what's happening now? I called Arnold Clark aftercare team right away and ran through Cleevely's findings. To their credit, they apologised and acted quickly. I dropped it off to their Seedfield branch for them to look it over. They're replacing both front tyres for free, which is a relief. For the suspension knuckles and the door seal, they've ordered parts from Tesla, which could take quite a while. I'm hoping it'll be straightforward when the parts have arrived. So fingers crossed for that. I'll keep you updated in the next video if not. They also refunded me the Cleevely EV service, which really surprised me. This whole experience has been a reminder. Even when a used car feels perfect, no warning lights, no odd noises, it can still hide serious issues. And an inspection from a specialist can pick up problems before they become expensive surprises. It's already saved me from unsafe tyres and a likely MOT failure later this year. Despite the repairs, I'm still loving my Model Y, and I'm looking forward to getting it sorted so that I can enjoy it fully. My next trip is around Scotland's NC500 at the end of this month. So, have you ever had any unexpected issues with your EV? Would you recommend an extended warranty? Or do you have any tips for handling warranty repairs? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear your stories or nightmares. If you found this helpful, give it a like and a subscribe for more updates on running costs, repairs, road trips, and life with a second-hand Tesla. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.